Hi and welcome to another Crypto Bros video. So in today's video we bring you MaticStaker, which is a new protocol that's just launched yesterday, I believe. So this is pretty exciting because they claim that you can earn up to 20% daily rewards in the MATIC token, which, as you are gonna see in this video, the MATIC token normally doesn't fluctuate as much. So it's kind of stabilized in the $2 mark. And also in this video, we're gonna be checking how you can withdraw, also how you can deposit into this staking protocol. And so before jumping into the video, if you think that what you learn or you learn something new or what you enjoy, please subscribe and leave us in the comments what you like the most, and also if we should check out some other projects that you might be interested in. So let's just jump into the video now. So first, this is the website, which is MaticStaker.io, and as you can see, there is gonna be 6 different packages. So we have savings, classics, premium, silver, gold, platinum. So the main difference between these three and these three is gonna be this log button that we see in here. So this means when it's unlocked, it means that you can withdraw your profits whenever you want your profits, right? And it says that if you leave it for 14 days, because this is the unlock function in, for example, the savings, you could get 119% ROI. So let's say that we want to deposit 100, you will obtain 119 in 14 days of ROI. And again, this is probably safer than the low one regarding that you can withdraw the profits. Now, if you want to have more profits, then you can lock up for 14 days and you cannot touch your profits until those 14 days are over. So those are the main difference, but that's here you are almost earning double as in here. So that's why it's locking one and it's unlocking the other one. And the main difference between these 3 unlock option packages is that this one is for 14 days, but if you decide to stay for 21 days, it will be 147 ROI, and for 28 days, it will be 154. And again, these are the options unlock, and then you have the log ones, which it will also increase. You will have 213, 314, and 347 respectively, if it's 14 days, 21 days, or 28 days. Now in here, this is where you will actually withdraw. So once you stake it in here, once you, for example, if you want to deposit here 100, you will click deposit, and then you will see in here you have staked this 100, and it will tell you how much available money you have for withdrawing. So in here you have the different links. You are gonna have MSK token airdrop, but this is not until later on. Then there is an audit that they did an audit in here. If you click, they did an audit with a Haze crypto, and you can read a little bit more about it all the way. And then after that you have the Telegram, which is always good to go into their social media. They also have a Twitter account, but Telegram is probably more active. Then the contract itself, and lastly the documentation. As you know, we always look into the documentation of every project. So let's read a little bit about it, and so I can explain a little bit further this protocol. So MaticStaker is a high yield investment program developed by the Polygon community. So these protocols that are really high reward, they are really risky. So everything that we say here is not financial advice. Remember, you always have to do your own research. So this is high risk, but also high reward. So do always your own research. So some of the features is that there is a 10% withdrawal fee, which will be reinvested into the contract, and this is to provide a little bit more of sustainability. Then there is a basic interest rate, but there is only for new deposits, which is plus 0.5 every 24 hours. And then there is a minimal deposit of 10 MATIC, which right now the price, as we are gonna see here, is 1.88, so almost $2. So it will be around $18.8 of minimal deposit, so it's not too much. And then let's talk a little bit about in the rewards side of aspect. So we have the savings, and it tells you that you earn 8% per day, and that's a total of 112%. So the main difference, and this is with the unlock plans. So let's say that I have found the initial reward percent increases every day by 0.5. So this is in the unlock plans. So for example, the reward percent is calculated as if you maintain it for 20 days, let's say, you will have 20 plus, since it increases by 0.5 and it starts on 8%, as it says in here, 8% per day, then it will be 20 times 0.5, because that's of every day, and if you maintain it 20 days, so that will be 10 plus 8, so it will be 18. So it will be 18 per day. Now, this reward percent is fixed as the start of the plan, which is one of the main difference with the lock plans. The lock plans is gonna do compounding, and this is one of the wonders of crypto, which is of staking protocols, which is the auto compounding. So again, the reward percent increases every day by 0.5, as we saw, but now in here we are actually they are actually doing the compounding. So in one day you will get the 8% for the amount of 1 MATIC, so it will be 1.8, but on the second day you will receive 8.5 on those 1.8, and that's the difference with this one, that you are not doing our compounding. So that's why in here, in the, for example, let's say silver, which is 14 days, as well as the savings, you are getting way more profit than in the lock plans than in the unlock plan. So that's kind of the main difference, and that's why they're providing more ROI in one than another. So going back here, we are gonna see that, let's say that you want to deposit in this silver one, you would want to deposit 100 MATIC. So how much is 100 MATIC in dollars? So we are gonna go to CoinMarketCap, and we see that it's 1.88. So pretty much what you will just have to do is multiply. So you will have 100 times 1.88, and obviously that will be $188 to obtain 100 MATIC. Now it says in here that if you maintain it, you're gonna, for 14 days, you will get 213.34. That if you multiply it, and obviously if in 14 days the price stays at 1.88, then it will be 213, I believe it was 213 times 1.88, and that's what you will obtain, around 400. So not bad at all. And again, this is high reward, and if you put even more, than if you put 1,000, then it will be 4,000. And it obviously all depends of the Polygon price, but this is something good, because the Polygon price doesn't fluctuate as much. It normally stays in those $2 mark. So I mean, everything can happen in crypto, obviously, but that's kind of one thing of being in MATIC. So something else of this is that it has a referral. So pretty much you get a 5% from each level 1 referral deposits, 2.5 from each level 2 referral deposits, and then 0.5 from each level 3 referral deposits. So then after that, in the documentation, in the white paper, you have the social handles, and you have the Telegram, which again I think is very important. They already have around 1,000, a little bit less than 1,000 in the Telegram community. Then you have the Twitter, and then the contract details and the audit report. So this is the video for today. I hope you enjoy it, and if you did, please subscribe and comment what we should be checking out. See you guys in the next vid. Bye.